Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and are staying safe and are enjoying at home. So today's video is related to beauty. It's related to makeup. So today I have come up with this very beautiful dewy glam makeup look, and I'll be creating this makeup look in today's video. So yeah, I hope you all will enjoy. And yeah, sorry for not uploading videos these days. I was really busy with my online classes and online tuitions and all of that. You will get to know if you have all of that if you have watched my vlog. I'll link that up in the description box. Anyways, so today's video is going to be this glam dewy makeup look. So yeah, I hope you all will enjoy this video, all will like this one, and you all will find this helpful. So yeah, if you do so, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new over here, please subscribe and also turn on the bell icon to stay notified. And you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put everything down below in the description box. And I really loved how the result turned out of this makeup. You can already see how happy I am with how this makeup has turned out. So you need to watch the video of how I have created this makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.